Our channel is for you guys. Friends are voting for you here. Let's play now with tracks and madness. This is fun and interesting. We will tell you kids about the road roller dozen plans. Then of course we count the numbers. This will be fun, play with friends.
Hello kids! Look! A police car is chasing a car that has violated the rules of the road. You see, the intruder doesn't stop. He is speeding. The police car is in the middle of a chase, but it is not yet possible to catch him. What happened? The police car ran out of gas, and it can't go on. Do you hear that? The intruder car rejoices that it can't be caught. What do we do? The police car radioed for help. Wow! How fast the helicopter came to the rescue! He delivered us some details. I wonder what these details belong to. Kids, do you see this? These are the details of the fuel truck. This is a special vehicle for fuel transportation. Let's build it. We will start with a chassis. Let's attach 6 big wheels. And this is a capacious tank. Put a cab, driver seat, control panel, roof, the emergency lights, radiator grille and headlights. These are fuel hoses. Gasoline runs through them. We put a ladder, taillights, and tank lids. Everything is ready. All we have to do is to fill up the police car with gasoline. We put a hose in the fuel tank. Now, the police car can catch the intruder car. And the fuel truck drove the gasoline to a gas station. Oh, the helicopter also ran out of fuel. It needs to be refilled too. Help us, fuel truck. Great! The helicopter is taking off. Friends, today we learned what an important part of the fuel truck is. Did you like this cartoon? Click the like button. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new episodes. Bye! Hello kids! Look, it's a chase! How interesting! A police car is chasing the intruder. The intruder goes fast, exceeding the speed of movement. You see? The intruder car turned off the road into the courtyard. Here is a sly one. Wow, there is a train nearby.
Oh no!
And here is the railway crossing. Friends, the traffic light at the crossing flashes red, which means the barrier will soon come down. You see, the police car did not have time to drive through the crossing. We will wait for the train to pass. The barrier is open. Go ahead for the intruder. Turn on the siren. Here is the intruder car. Guys, look! There is a huge bridge ahead and a river underneath. Well, a naughty boy is obviously up to something. The car pressed the control button and lifted the bridge. What a pity! The police car won't be able to go further. What do we do? How to get across the river? The police car asked for help on the radio. Hooray! There was a police patrol boat nearby, and it immediately came to the rescue. Such boats patrol ponds and ensure their safety. But how does a police car get on a boat? It needs a special loading bridge along which it can get on a boat. There is no sign of it here.
Retail 57, Roger. We'll show you en route to the rear of
The police car asked for help on the radio again. Wow, a helicopter flies here. Look, it delivered us a loading bridge. That's great. Let's install it. Ready? It's possible to drive in. Now we can sail to the other side. Here is the pier. The boat can stop here, and the police car will go on in the way. Here we go. The intruder is probably far away. We will chase him. And we will catch him in the new cartoon. See you soon. Bye bye.
Our channel is for you guys. Friends are voting for your help. Let's play now with tracks and madness. This is fun and interesting. We will tell you kids about the road roller dozen plans. Then of course we count the numbers. This will be fun, play with friends.
Hello friends. Hi team. Today truck team arrived at the airport to see how planes take off. the gate opened up. Let's go. There is so much interesting. Look, what an unusual machinery. This special tractor can take the plane to a tow. Do you see? One wheel is missing. He needs help. A wheel with a punctured tire needs to be replaced with a new wheel. Spare wheels are in one of 3 hangars. Let's find them. So, are there any wheels in this hangar? No, there is a small plane. It's called a biplane. This is a plane with 2 wings, located one above the other. The propeller began to spin. The biplane takes off. The airplane of this kind does not fly very fast and high, but it can take off and land from almost any airdrome. It's very maneuverable. Small plane coming in to land. Great! Don't forget, team, we need to find the spare wheel for a tow truck. Let's look for it in another hangar. What did you find, team? Wow! Here is a jet fighter. This is a very fast airplane that is intended for military purposes. Its wing looks like an arrow. Fighter flies so fast. There was no spare wheel for the tow truck in this hangar. The last blue hangar left. Let's go to it. Look out, team! We need to get off the airstrip. The fighter coming in to land. And here is the hangar with spare wheels for the tow truck. We load the wheel into the back of the truck. Let's set the wheel. Like this. Let's fasten the wheel with bolts. Done. Now, the tow truck can turn the plane to the airstrip. It's worked. This huge plane is the passenger airplane. You can travel around the world on it. Tim, it's so great to be on the airport. Bye-bye. Hi everybody! Guys, we are on a real farm. There is a livestock and interesting machinery. Wow, what a cool new tractor. His name is Max. He goes to town for a walk. This is his first trip. Tractor Max is very fast and maneuverable. He is also very kind, always ready to help. And here we got to the city. Max, look what a big pit. It looks like road works are carried out here. Wow! The car didn't have time to slow down and knocked over all traffic cones. Without them, other cars can fall into the pit and get stuck in it. Oh, the ambulance is in a hurry. Look, the ambulance car fell into the pit. It can't get out alone. The pit is too deep. Tractor Max, you have to help. Let's pull out the ambulance with a cable. Done. It's great that we helped it. Now, the ambulance car goes to the patient. And Max needs to fill the pit with earth so that other cars don't get into it. But the tractor bucket remained on the farm. Let's go pick up the bucket. Wow, cool turn. Here is the farm. Let's bolt the bucket. Like this. Well done. Now, the tractor will be able to fill the pit with earth on the road. It is again in hurry to the city. Let's get to work. Guys, look how skillfully Max handles the job. Well done, tractor. Now the cars will safely drive along this section of the road. It's time to relax for Max. He's heading to his farm garage. Don't forget to disconnect the bucket. Bye-bye. Hello, friends. Look, the blue car is hurrying somewhere on the road. This is a real zoo. Look, there is a food in the back of the car. This is a food for animals. Let's meet and feed zoo dwellers together. Wow, this is a mother elephant with a baby. Elephants are very large. Look what a big trunk and ears they have. They like to eat grass, carrots, tasty bananas, and apples. Let's drive on. Giraffes live here. Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Giraffes like to eat grass, oranges, and ripe bananas. And here we have a striped zebra. It likes grass and carrots too. Zebras are similar to horses. They have smooth fur and short mane. And these are the clubfoot bears. You hear? They are hungry. We will feed them with honey and ripe raspberries. Guys, and these are hippos. They have big heads. They eat grass and sweet carrots. Hippos like to live near water bodies. And here we have humpback camels. Camels are desert dwellers. They are hardy and they don't need much. They eat camel thorn that grows in the desert. Friends, today we visited the zoo and fed all animals. Bye bye. Hello, buddy. We are going on a trip by tram. And here is the first stop. Check this out. This is a stop for horses. One horse comes out of the tram. This is the number 1. We go further. Wow, this is a stop for piglets. 1, 2. 2 piglets came out of the tram. This is number 2. And now we are in the driver's cab. This is a control panel. And a fire extinguisher hangs on the wall. It's necessary in case of fire. We arrived at the elephant stop. One, 2, 3. There are 3 baby elephants. This is the number 3. Let's move on. Do you hear? The cows are moving. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cows. This is the number 4. And here the hens came out of the tram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the number 5. We are going to the next station. Wow! This is a dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 dogs. This is the number 6. And we go further. Here cute penguins go out of the tram. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 penguins. This is the number 7. What a wonderful deer! Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the number 8. Wow, there is also a boar. Let's count it too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the number 9. And there is a clubfoot bear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My friend, today we traveled with animals by tram. We also learned to count to 10. Did you like this cartoon? Click on the thumb up icon.